here in Busan. Time check 10:35. So we took this Premier bus, no, from Pohang. Ang bilis, no? Ang bilis. Naka-seatbelt pa kami. So finally we're back in Busan. They're taking toilet sa loob. So we did bus trip from Busan. Punta kami Jeongju. Had a tour there. Nagpohang today. Then balik Busan. Because our Airbnb is in Busan. Let's just check yung bus terminal facilities. Where are they? Ganda, no? Modern. So modern. Ito yung loob ng kanila ng bus station. So it's aircon, may toilet, no? Complete yung facilities. Mag-antay ka ng, then they have yung mga vending machines. Vending machines. So as always, wala kang problem sa mga ticketing. Kasi you don't need manpower here to buy tickets. You just pay through credit card, tas using yung mga machines. Then they have their schedules. May second floor pa sila. Ano, may tulugan sila kuya dito?
Alis na yan.
Hindi have pataas, oh. Pababa, no? Galing, no? So this is yung what they call intercity bus platform, no? These are the cities na pwedeng puntahan, no? So mga platforms naka-indicate yan, 23 to 29 na platforms. Okay, so very accessible. If you're familiar, you can take buses lang between cities, then at the same time yung bus mo tour. Fair naman, reasonable yung mga bus rides nila. Then malinis, no? Very clean yung mga buses.